Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, my dear beautiful girls? Inshallah, now I'm going to help you revise lesson 3, our natural landscape, and lesson 4, weather and climate, in order to help you get ready for the quiz. Bismillah. Question 1. Complete the following sentences. A. The earth has many different types of landforms, because the earth is not the same everywhere. Sometimes the land is high, sometimes it's low, sometimes it's flat, and that's why we say the earth has many different types of landforms. B. Most of the land in Saudi Arabia is desert, and because Saudi Arabia is a desert country. C. Plains are areas of flat level land. The flat land is called the plains. And that's why the areas near the coast, which are coastal areas, are usually plains because they are flat. A plateau is a raised plain, a plain but high. A mountain rises above the surrounding land. Next one. People like to live on plains, but they do not like to live on mountains because life is so difficult on mountains, but easier and more suitable for people on plains. Next one. Islands are mountain tops showing above the sea level. Why? The island, before we said that it's a piece of land surrounded by water from all directions, but now we must say that it's only a mountain top that is shown above the sea level. Why? Because the island is not a land floating on the water, no. It's a mountain in the middle of the sea, but the sea does not cover the whole of the sea, of the mountain. It covers most of the mountain, but the top can be seen, and this one is the island. Valleys are the lowlands between mountains, and the glacier is an icy river. In the book, the glacier is a huge mass of moving ice that moves down mountain sides. But this is exactly like a river, but it turns into ice because it's in a very, very cold place. This is all the main points that I want you to understand and know from lesson 3. Okay? Now let us move for lesson 4, weather and climate. This one. Of course, we studied the difference between climate, weather, and weather forecast. And there is a colorful sheet on Classera. You can make the best use of it. Here, what is climate? Climate is weather patterns of a place. What is weather? Conditions like rain, snow, wind, or sunshine. And what is weather forecast? It's a prediction that tells us what weather to expect. Here on this picture, there is a weather forecast from TV. The areas that has a sun means that the place here will be sunny. The areas that has clouds with too much rain, it means that these places will be rainy, and so on. This is called the weather forecast, and it's important for our life to get ready for the weather of next day. In order to prepare a weather forecast like this, there should be some weather tools. The first one, the barometer, is used to measure C from up, air pressure. B, the rain gauge is used to measure rainfall. The anemometer is used to measure wind speed. The windsock is used to measure wind direction, not to measure it, to identify the wind direction, to tell us if the wind is coming from the north to the east, or from the east to the west, or from where to where, because it's very important to know the direction of the wind, to know that will it be cold or hot, will it be rainy or dry. And the last weather tool is a thermometer. It's used to measure temperature, as you know. After scientists use all these weather tools and they take the reading from them, they recorded the data or the information or the reading in graphs like this. This graph down here are the months of the year: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. On this side, we have the temperature from Celsius, 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, and up to 40, because there is no measuring for temperature more than 40. And here the rainfall in millimeters. They recorded the rain using bars and the temperature using dots. Once you look at this graph, you can answer the following questions or similar questions. In which month does Cairo have no rain? This, by the way, this is a climate map for Cairo and a bar graph for Cairo. Can you see the small dots? The highest ones refer to the hottest days or the hottest months. Here I answered, and the bars refer to rain. When we have no bars, it means no rain. Here, in which months does Cairo have no rain? Of course, you can find no bars in the months of June, July, August, September, and October. B, the average temperature in Cairo in January is, here in January, the dot is between 15 and 20, maybe about 17 or 18. The hottest month means that the highest dot is July. And all the readings that can be taken from the previous weather tools are recorded in bar graphs like this, or in graphs like this, and they are kept for all the months and the days and the years in big files to help the scientists know about the weather in the future. Up to now, I hope that you understand the two lessons very well and you are ready for the quiz next time. Thanks for your listening and goodbye till we meet again.